So of course we're showing you high rises in the background here, and I'm not here to promise that there's going to be high rises here in the future, but if it were me making decisions about where my family is going to live in Surrey, why not choose a place that's already a great location with a quiet cul-de-sac, right close to schools as well, but it's also in the official community plan for urban designation. So there could be future assembly happen at this property in the future. You could build a brand new house, you could renovate it as it is. There's lots of options here. Let's have a look at this place. Oh, did I mention this place has an amazing backyard? Your kids are gonna love playing back here. Plus, it's also located on a laneway. So tons of opportunities at this great property. If you'd like to take a private tour of it, we'd love to show it to you, info@hardyteam.ca. Or if you're just curious about the value of your property in today's market, again, email us info@hardyteam.ca. We'll connect with you soon.